After 15 years of research and development with operating experience with the first 4 machines in production, renovated Slovenian experts have developed the 5th generation of the Palletonator. It was designed with advanced mechanical engineering, latest technology, and Industry 4.0 standard. The aim was to develop a modular machine concept that is ready for rapid scaling and operation, can be used very efficiently worldwide, and is flexible in product selection for production. The 5th generation of Palletonator has a footprint of 220 square meters, a safe cycle time of 15s, i.e. it produces 4 pallets per minute, 240 pallets per hour. However, the speed can be increased up to 600 pallets per hour. This is a matter of additional cost and pallet design. It produces 22 different pallet designs. The standard pallet designs are Euro pallet, Euro half pallet, Euro quarter pallet, and air freight pallet. The production process is also ready to adapt production for customized solutions. During operation, the weekly energy consumption is about 2.7 megawatts per hour for 1 shift. Moreover, the air consumption is 5,000 liters per minute. The advanced, streamlined robotic production line requires only a 3-person crew for operation. It has a central management and control console used to set up and monitor the production process. Here you can see 9 modules, each responsible for a specific stage of pallet production and a specific assembled element. The modular design is easy to build, transport, assemble, and deploy. For production, Palletonator has used several robotic arms with grippers that have the following functions: moving and transporting between phases and modules, shaping of elements, precise positioning and insertion of elements during the pallet manufacturing process. At Palletonator, we use 2 gluing systems, cold and hot. Both have their own separated centralized containers with automatic distribution system to the gluing locations. Hot gluing is used for quick gluing and fixing of elements during the production process, and cold gluing for long-term stability of the pallet. All input cardboard elements are prefabricated by the cardboard manufacturer, cut to the required dimensions, and printed with KraftPal branding. They are manually inserted into the buffers of the individual forming modules as top, LFL, LNS, SFL, and RS, creating individual pallet elements that are finally assembled into a pallet on the transport assembly side of the Palletonator. The pallet production process starts with the top module, where we produce the top layer of the pallet. The input cardboard is placed in the rollers, which make grooves in the cardboard, apply the glue, and form the top with the gripper of the robot. On LFL and INS, we make the longitudinal reinforcing element. The LFL and INS process includes rolling, grooving, cutting, gluing, and gripping to make precise reinforcing elements, which are fixed and glued on the pallet on the transport assembly side. With the SFL module, we form a transverse stiffener that produces precise reinforcing elements from 2 to 4 layers. The more layers a corrugated pallet has, the more stable it is. At the end of the process, we have 4 SFL elements fixed and glued to the pallet. The final production step is performed on the ERS module, where 3 longitudinal reinforcement elements are glued to the bottom of the pallet. These reinforcements not only provide additional strength, but also have a apartment sliding design on the bottom to facilitate transport on roller conveyors, conveyor belts, and stacking. At the end of Palletonator, the robot stacks the pallets up to a height of 2.7 meters, which must then be packed and transported to the warehouse. The Palletonator has been designed and built with the highest safety standards in mind. The work area is surrounded by a transparent plexiglass fence that allows visual monitoring while preventing intrusion into the production area. It is equipped with a comprehensive safety system with various sensors and alarms to monitor operation. In the event of maintenance or downtime, the entire machine is stopped, and a special safety mode is activated that disables the operation of all individual components of the Palletonator.